I'm in love with the girl next door. So today during quarantine, I decided to grow some balls and say what's up. She was like, hi, Joshy. I'm like, are you single? She's like, yeah. I'm like, you STD free? She's like, yeah. I'm like, after all this is over, want to grab drinks sometime? She's like, sorry, I don't date TikTokers with less than 3 million followers. So then I pulled out some eggs and started throwing Joshy Jr.'s kids at her.
Can I date your daughter?
God, no. No, no, nope.
Why?
I have loftier goals for her than that.
Can I date your daughter?
Okay, one is 5 and one is 3 again. So no.
Well, no. Yeah. All right. Yeah, that's fair. Can I date your daughter?
No,
Why?
because my daughter would be your sister. No.
Whoa.
Really weird human body facts that I can guarantee you didn't know. This one depends on you a little bit, but the average human body has enough fat in it to make over 7 bars of soap. If you lose your hand and then get it reattached, even if all mobility and feeling comes back, no matter what you do, the skin on that hand will never get wrinkly in water ever again. It just loses that ability. Us women are actually programmed to forget the pain of childbirth a few months after it happens. This is why we continue to have kids. We're like, oh my God, that was traumatic and so painful. I never want to do that again. And our body's like, nah, forget about it.
Before you even think about talking to me, let me see your pass. Alright, what's wrong with you? Me and Tayshawn had a collision in gym class. My teacher thinks I broke my arm, and on top of that, I feel like I have to throw up. Your what hurts? Don't you worry, little rascal. I got the perfect solution for you. Why don't you take this back to your class? You'll be just fine, okay? You gotta be kidding me, you dumb bitch! Oh my God, this is why you don't have a husband, because you're a psychopath! I hope you get fired. Nobody at the school likes you. My God!
Hey, Dad.
Oh, you're here. Good. I need your help. Come. Yep, that's working. Yep, that's working. That's working. Yep, that's working. That's working. What does your mother mean she's bored?
Hey, yo, Mom.
Hold on just a second. What's up?
I bet I can guess your favorite food combination.
Okay, go.
Easy. Coffee and donuts.
Okay.
That was a good one.
I bet I can guess your favorite food combination as well.
I guarantee you cannot.
I bet I can.
What?
Fried chicken and watermelon.
Perfect. Oh, you're gonna love this one. And plus, I know how much you like weird, so I gave this bad boy 5 limbs, alright? I think you're gonna... What happens when you tear off its limbs? Why would you do that? They'd probably bleed out and die, I'd imagine. What? You suggest they regrow their limbs like some sick mutant freaks? You may have a future here yet, Gabriel.
You have an old hoodie lying around. Why not style it like new again? First, take out the drawstring from the hoodie and put it aside. Next, cut along the middle of the sweatshirt just above where the pockets are. Get rid of the top half for now. Go ahead and puncture 2 little holes at the base of the fabric so that you can string the drawstring through it. This may take a minute. Now flip it upside down and you're done. Introducing Red Hoodie 2.0. Holy cow.
I'm sorry.
Mom!
Oh my God, what?
I got a joke.
Is it a dirty joke?
No questions are allowed. What's the difference between a tire and 365 used condoms?
It is a dirty joke.
I don't care.
I don't know what.
One's a good year, the other's a great year.
You freaking dirty bird. Oh, and you're laughing?
I blocked it.
Yeah.
I blocked it again.
You deserve that.
Grove up here. You've got C. Hopkins Cafe, managed by my cousin Clomo, is the best thing that we can possibly. It's a wonderful mnemonic device. AJ? Are you freaking kidding me? I said no Doritos! No Doritos! Go!
Guys, water has the density of 1 gram per. What are you doing? Are you lying to me? What are you doing? Why are you eating Doritos? You know they're banned.
Nate, what the heck is this? Crap out of here.
Doritos! No! No! Doritos! No!
Can I date your mom?
She's your teacher, or was.
So?
No!
Why?
She was your teacher!
Okay. Can I date your mom?
No.
Why?
Because she's like 49, you know.
Perfect.
Oh, then go for it.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Please leave me alone.
Okay.
Can I date your mom?
Sure.
Why?
I mean, she's pretty cute. You'd make a good dad, I guess.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Oh my god, Mommy, I can't wait for this new iPad. My friends are gonna be so jealous of me. It's gonna be great. Aaron, honey, remember we're getting the Kindle Fire HD Plus. It has all the features the iPad does, and it's half the price. It's just as good as the iPad, okay? Mom, do not screw me over again! I swear if I have to bring that shitty Kindle whatever the fuck to school, everybody's gonna think we're on welfare! My God, everybody knows anything but Apple is stupid! I swear if we don't go get this iPad right now, I'll go tell Dad about Mark! Then when he finds out, he'll divorce your dumb ass, and you'll have nothing because you don't have a job! I suggest we go get this iPad right now! Thanks, Mom.
His turn now.
Hey, babe.
Holy shit. Hold up. What?
Asking people unanswerable questions, part 1. Let's get it. Hey, Aunt, what's your favorite color of the alphabet, true or false?
Banana.
What fruit do you write with when you shopping? Huh? When you solve a math problem, does your mom call you before you cook the food or after you use the bathroom?
After the dog crossed the street.
Hey, bro, when you take out the trash, do raccoons fight or do you climb a mountain?
Low key, bro. You boxing them niggas like low key, bro.
What's your favorite flavor of crayon, yes or no?
Nigga, what? Crayons.
When you fall or trip, what color are your toes, up or down?
Censored.
What? If you don't take a shower, how many days does it take you to get a scholarship? Hold up, guys, I'm on the way.
Do you want to come inside? I have a Nintendo.
Oh, you got Smash Bros?
Yeah, come on.
Yeah, I love Nintendo. Shit, what that bitch set up?
Oh, dang. I must have left it upstairs. I guess we gotta find something else to do.
Abby, who's here? Sophia. Oh, Why would you want to come in? Uh-oh. Sophia, what's your favorite color? Sophia, I promise my room is way cooler than Abby's. You should totally come in and look at it. Sophia, you probably look so good in my sweatshirt.
No, don't touch me there. This is my no square. No, don't touch me there. No, my...
What are you doing here, Molly?
It's been 3 days since I've been holding this controller, waiting for her to walk out, naked, throw the towel off and show me her whole body, but She just hasn't done it. So,
I'm gonna do it myself. Screw this shit. You know what, Tep? I'm sick of it. I don't care. I'm sick of it. I've been waiting for you to walk up on me naked while I'm playing my game.
Why would I do that?
And you just haven't. So what am I gonna have to do?
Joshua.
I'm gonna have to do it myself.
Joshua, no.